recent tirades against the Marcos administration. Speaking at a gathering of Filipinos in Australia, the Vice President had wondered where and how the government spent the 16 trillion peso national debt.
Bakit 16 trillion ang utang natin? And wala din tayong nakikita. Nasaan ang inutang? Kasi dapat pag nag-utang ka, may nakikita ka.
Trillions of pesos in debt were incurred during the administration of Duterte's father, arrested former President Rodrigo Duterte. President on whether she failed to recognize the Marcos administration's projects for the people. Duterte once again expressed regret about having teamed up with Marcos during the 2022 elections. Castro says the president has no personal reaction to this.
Sa ugali po ng Pangulo, hindi po natin madidinig ang ganong mga klaseng negatibo mula sa kanya. Kung may nagsisisi man na sa kanya ay maka-team up siya, it's their loss, not the president.